Priyanka Chopra congratulated Zoran Mamdani on becoming New York City's youngest and first Muslim mayor at 34. Son of filmmaker Mira Nair. Fairphone, a Dutch electronics maker, enters the US market with repairable headphones. Driven by growing right to repair demand and a 61% sales surge in Q3 2025 despite tariff challenges. Actor Harish Rai has died at 55 after battling cancer, leaving behind a legacy in Kannada cinema with impactful roles in Om and the KGF series. Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused RJD of snatching CM candidacy from Congress by threatening them with violence during a rally in Bihar. The World Cup winning Indian women's cricket team met President Draupadi Murmu and presented her a signed jersey, with the president congratulating them on their historic achievement. Google Maps integrates Gemini AI for enhanced navigation features and an intuitive conversational assistant in India. Umar Khalid and co-accused conclude submissions. Delhi police to begin arguments on November 11 in connection with February 2020 riots. Rahul Gandhi's claim of vote chori in Haryana's village that voted for Congress has drawn attention. But polling data reveals a surprising twist. Rising air pollution concerns in Delhi prompt social media posts claiming AQI has reached 999+. But these appear to be outdated screenshots. The Bar Council of India has granted interim approval for 2 supernumerary seats under K. Transgender category in all law colleges in Kerala. As per a recent update to the Kerala High Court, the Kerala High Court has ordered physiotherapists and occupational therapists without medical qualifications to stop using the title "drive," citing a potential conflict with actual doctors. A woman's headless body with severed hands was discovered floating in a drain near Sector 82. Noida police have recovered the body and are investigating the gruesome crime. Grove's IPO has been oversubscribed 15 times. With analysts predicting a 15% listing gain, India's digital investing industry is witnessing rapid growth driven by household savings and shift from traditional assets. Omnicom Media Group's PhD India wins Marico's integrated media account, ending Madison Media's 5-year run as the brand's media agency in a strategic shift for India's FMCG advertising landscape. Investment bankers value Jio platforms at up to $170 billion as Reliance prepares for a potentially record-breaking IPO. IBM lays off thousands globally but plans to hire more college graduates over the next year as it shifts focus to high-margin software and AI services. An endocrinologist explains why some people struggle to lose weight despite healthy eating habits, citing factors like body types and individual metabolism. Scientists discovered E. coli bacteria can spread as quickly as swine flu, estimating its transmission rate using genomic data from the UK and Norway. The Indian Council of Medical Research seeks industry partners to develop antibodies against A. Nipah virus after conducting successful animal trials using indigenously developed monoclonal antibodies. Bayer's therapy Kerendia has received approval in India for treating adult heart failure patients with preserved and mildly reduced ejection fraction. Researchers at IIT Madras have created a cost-effective, non-invasive glucose monitoring device for diabetes patients, promising to revolutionize blood sugar tracking. A study finds melatonin use linked to 90% higher heart failure risk, and NHS doctor clarifies misconceptions about the hormone, emphasizing the importance of natural sleep for recovery and well-being. Bayer's Kerendia, fine renown, has been approved in India for treating heart failure with preserved or mildly reduced ejection fraction in adult patients. Experts say new drugs offer hope in fight against obesity, but prevention remains key to tackling global epidemic affecting over 1 billion people worldwide. Genetic factors play a significant role in heart health, with certain conditions running in families due to inherited genes. Genetic testing can reveal inherited risks like familial hypercholesterolemia. Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket will carry NASA's Escapades mission to Mars, marking a significant step in commercial space exploration now. The mission aims to test return capabilities from the Red Planet. SpaceX set a new record with 146 missions launched in 2025, surpassing its previous annual launch count. Scientists discovered different types of black holes, challenging Einstein's theory. The Event Horizon Telescope collaboration revealed new cosmic observations of M87 and Milky Way black holes. SpaceX has launched 29 new Starlink satellites, setting a record for the most missions in 2025 so far. This achievement underscores the company's continued expansion of its satellite constellation. NASA has launched 2 identical spacecraft to study interactions between Mars' magnetic field, solar wind, and potential loss of its atmosphere in the Escapade mission. Sony releases an update for the PlayStation Portal, enabling users to play PS5 games in the cloud without console connection. Google updates Gemini to scan Gmail, Drive, and chat for AI research reports, allowing users to analyze internal documents alongside web data. Samsung may push back the launch of its Galaxy S26 smartphone to March, marking the first time in 5 years, due to delayed product planning in pre-mass production stage. Lensket's AI-powered smart glasses are now open for development by Indian developers, offering new possibilities but also highlighting the importance of integrating AI with process intelligence. Apple reportedly nears $1 billion annual deal with Google to integrate Gemini AI into Siri, enhancing Siri's contextual understanding and task execution capabilities. Acclaimed music composer Ilayaraja argues in Madras High Court that film producers cannot sell rights of his composed songs to other labels for profit. Rishmika Mandana and Vijay Deverakonda plan a grand royal destination wedding in Udaipur on February 26, 2026. Bollywood star Salman Khan set to make a powerful cameo in the upcoming film Raja Shivaji, starring and directed by Ritesh Deshmukh, which tells the story of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja's heroic feats. Actor Bhumi Pednekar and Aditya Thackeray were seen together at a popular restaurant in Mumbai, causing a stir with their surprise appearance. Pranav Mohanlal's horror thriller Dice Irai has earned over 50 crore rupees ahead of its Telugu release. Praised for gripping narrative and atmospheric storytelling, the Madhya Pradesh High Court dismissed Shah Bano's daughter's plea against releasing the movie Haq, citing its disclaimer stating it is a fictional film inspired by her life. Television actors Neil Bhatt and Aishwarya Sharma filed for divorce after 4 years of marriage. They met on the set of Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein. US President Donald Trump has made 33 posts on Truth Social in under 25 hours, responding to the Democratic Party's major election victories. Rama Duvaji, wife of New York's first gentleman Zoran Mamdani, wore Palestinian-Jordanian designer Zaid Hijazi's outfit to show support for Palestine on her husband's inauguration day. A video of New York City Mayor-elect Zoran Mamdani eating Rajnigandha, a popular Indian mouth freshener, has gone viral and resonated with the Indian community. Armed pirates boarded a Malta-flagged tanker, Hellas Aphrodite, in the Indian Ocean during an early morning attack approximately 549 nautical miles east-southeast. Protests have gripped Pakistan-occupied Kashmir led by Generation Z, mainly students. demanding educational reforms amidst previous unrest in the region. A recently freed Israeli hostage, Rom Braslavsky, detailed horrific sexual assault and humiliation during his captivity by Palestinian Islamic Jihad, describing being stripped naked and subjected to abuse. The US government shutdown cripples the economy, causing $15 billion in weekly losses as 40 airports face potential closure due to unpaid air traffic controllers and reduced flights. The Enforcement Directorate has attached assets worth 14 crore of former Indian cricketers Suresh Rana and Shikhar Dhawan in an illegal betting app case probe. Mumbai City FC faces off against Kerala Blasters in their final group match of the 2025-26 IF Super Cup on Thursday at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Margot, Nawaz and Agha's half-centuries helped Pakistan reach 269 for 9. With Berger taking 4 wickets, South Africa lost their 7th consecutive toss on the tour. Royal Challengers Bengaluru appoints Malolan Rangarajan as head coach for Women's Premier League, replacing Luke Williams. A star-studded cricket league in Indian-administered Kashmir collapsed after organizers fled, leaving cricketers and staff without pay. India's 4th T20I against Australia reaches a fighting total of 167 thanks to Akshar Patel's late cameo. Despite losing multiple